The nationwide coronavirus death toll surpassed 160,000 overnight. An influential model from the University of Washington predicts deaths could hit nearly 300,000 by December. The model projects the number could be lowered by 70,000 if everyone wore a mask. This all comes as numerous big cities are seeing a troubling spike in coronavirus cases. Omar Jimenez reports.
Before Ohio Governor Mike DeWine could greet President Trump on the tarmac ahead of a factory tour, he became one of the latest Americans to test positive for the coronavirus.
I had no symptoms. I had no indication that, no reason to think I had the COVID-19. Obviously, it's a rapid test. I mean, they got the results back right away.
DeWine later tweeted that a second test was negative.
Well, there's always a trade-off between speed and accuracy, but it is common that these rapid antigen tests have false results.
Meanwhile, 9 U.S. cities and California's Central Valley are drawing concern. Dr. Deborah Birx warning places like Kansas City are seeing higher test positivity rates.
We're in a triple threat. You could call it the perfect storm, that the cases are going up, our hospitalizations are going up, and our deaths are going up. And I'm afraid that the death projections are way under.
Chicago also making the list. And Illinois had its highest single-day report since May 24th, adding nearly 2,000 new cases Thursday. In Texas, the Department of Health Services reporting a 17% positivity rate, even with a decline in hospitalizations for the third day in a row and a 2-day drop in new cases.
We are not at all anywhere close to being in a safe situation in COVID-19. Just because COVID-19 numbers are improving in this region does not mean that COVID-19 has suddenly left.
In Tampa, Florida, Hillsborough County Public Schools announced they will begin the school year virtually, despite Governor Ron DeSantis pushing for students to be back in the classroom and even participate in high school sports.
Just understand that there's a risk out there. What I would not do is just if one person gets ill and they're isolated and they test, to then shut down everything else. I mean, I think if everyone else is fine, you got to just keep going.
One updated model projects the U.S. death toll could reach nearly 300,000 by December 1st, but indicates about 70,000 lives could be saved if more people consistently wear masks.
It's an extraordinary opportunity. It's rare that you see something so simple, so inexpensive, so easy for everybody to participate in, can have such an extraordinary impact in the US, but also all over the world, actually.